Welcome to the Tech Radar video on the new Intel Bluetooth driver 22.200.0. If you own a Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC and use Bluetooth devices, you'll want to know about this update. With this driver update, Intel claims to have improved Bluetooth coexistence when using Wi-Fi, better reliability for smartphone connections, and general functional updates. In short, if you've ever been frustrated by an unreliable connection or frame rate drops when using your Bluetooth devices, the new driver from Intel should fix the issue. To get started, you'll need to head over to the Intel website for the version of the driver that's right for your machine. They even have a helpful link so you can determine whether you need a 32-bit or 64-bit version, no technical expertise required. Once you've downloaded and installed the new driver, you should notice a difference in the dependability of connection from your Bluetooth devices. Of course, this is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the power and potential of Intel products. But on the subject of Bluetooth, this driver should mean that those of us who rely on Bluetooth technology day in, day out, can do so without fear of dropped frames and unreliable connections. Thanks for tuning in, and check back soon for more great tech advice from Tech Radar.